gland, it consists of two lobes located in the front surface of the neck on both sides of the trachea and link it together by a small part. Thyroid secretes thyroxine hormone and calcitonin hormone. Thyroxine hormone, it plays a main role in the food assimilation process in the body. Also, thyroxine hormone, it launches the necessary energy of the human body from food. That's for the thyroxine hormone. What's about calcitonin hormone? Calcitonin hormone that controls the level of calcium in the blood. That's for the thyroid gland. What's about the pancreas? Pancreas is located beneath stomach and between two arms of duodenum. Pancreas is a double function gland. Pancreas is a mixed gland. Why? Let's start. Pancreas is an exocrine gland. Pancreas secretes digestive enzymes that helps in digestion process. These digestive enzymes pass in ducts. So pancreas is considered as an exocrine gland or duct gland. Also, pancreas secretes insulin hormone and glucagon hormone, and they secrete it directly in the blood. So pancreas here is an endocrine gland, exocrine and endocrine. So it is a mixed gland. So pancreas secretes insulin hormone that reduces level of sugar in the blood, as it helps in sugar transference from the blood to the body cells to get energy. Pancreas also secretes glucagon hormone that contradicts the function of insulin hormone, as it raises level of sugar in the blood through supplementing the liver and the muscles to launch the stored glucose into the bloodstream to be available to the body cells. So pancreas is considered as an endocrine gland or ductless glands in this case. After that, we have to summarize some hormones of endocrine glands and their functions. The first gland, pituitary glands, its hormones and its functions. Growth hormone, its function to regulate the growth of the body as a whole. Pituitary gland secretes thyroid stimulating hormone, and its function to stimulate thyroid to secrete its hormones. Finally, the pituitary gland secretes the activating hormone of sexual glands, and its function affects the development of sex organs prior to adulthood. That's for the pituitary gland. The second gland here, the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland secretes thyroxine to liberate the energy necessary for the body from food. Also, thyroid gland secretes calcitonin to control the calcium levels in the blood. After that, the adrenal glands. The adrenal glands secretes adrenaline to stimulate body's organs to respond to emergencies. After that, the pancreas gland. The pancreas gland secretes insulin to stimulate the storage of glucose sugar in liver. Also, the pancreas gland secretes glucagon hormone to stimulate the release of glucose sugar from the liver. Then the two ovaries. The two ovaries secrete estrogen, and its function appears female secondary sex characteristics. Also, the two ovaries secrete progesterone. Progesterone hormone and its function promotes the growth of endometrium. Finally, the two testes. The two testes, or each testis, secretes testosterone, and its function appears the male secondary sex characteristics. Role of hormones in the homeostasis or the balance of the human body. Hormones work on maintaining the homeostasis balance of the internal environment in the human body through a mechanism called feedback, whose task is similar to the mechanism of the thermostat. What's meant by feedback mechanism? Feedback mechanism is a mechanism with which hormones act to achieve the homeostasis in the human body.